Good afternoon, everybody. It is 4:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, September 18th, 2025. So we got the 7.8 magnitude earthquake as calculated just an hour ago with 69 user reports in Kamchatsky, Russia. Just an hour ago at a depth of 6.2 miles. As calculated for the 18th of September, we got a high magnitude 7.8 magnitude earthquake. Let's go put this volcano on alert. So at 1858, we got the 7.8 magnitude earthquake. We'll be putting these volcanoes on alert in the region. That'll line up with that 7.8 and 5.0. Alright, so 1858. Let's go back to 1858. Been waiting for this high magnitude earthquake since yesterday. Here's 1858. So let's go right to Russia's coordinates. See what's affected the coordinates of Russia. So we have the 705-footer asteroid 2025 RY1 is what caused that 7.8 in Kamchatsky, Russia. This is why we have Kamchatsky, Russia, and Russia on high magnitude earthquake warning calculation until the 10th of October. I made a list of all the asteroids that will be causing earthquakes 5.0 and up. That will be in the description box of this video and the comment section of this video. So let's get screenshots for the thumbnail here. We got a 6 in Indonesia. We'll go see what asteroid caused that. I'm pretty sure that's the asteroid 2025 RA22, but we will go check. Should be 1819. So we'll get the screenshots for the thumbnail here. So asteroid 2025 RY1. Let's go see what caused the 6 in Indonesia just an hour ago. So that's 1819 we need to go to. Then we need to go over Indonesia's coordinates. See if it's northern Indonesia. Switzerland also got the 3. We were looking for 3s up there in Poland, Germany, Switzerland, United Kingdom as well for 3.0s and up. So it's southern. Let's get this screenshot. Another 5, 6 there for Russia. And another 5 for the Philippines 30 minutes ago. Comes all that activity we're expecting. Japan too with the 4. Scotia Sea, Southern Hemisphere, 5.4. Oklahoma, 2.7, just an hour ago with one user report. Minico at a depth of 4.3 miles. Okay. Yep, that's it right there. Asteroid 2025 FA22 for that 6.1 there in Indonesia just 2 hours ago. So smash that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment in the comment box section, tap the notification bell and switch it to all. And the donation links will be in the description box of this video, so you can help contribute to the channel. Just 2 hours ago at 1819. So it caused that 3.0 lastly in Scotland. It's one of the countries we had calculated for high magnitude earthquakes in 2021, which was Poland, the United Kingdom, France. That was France, I believe. New Zealand with a 3. Alaska with a 3 as well. Yep, Georgia as well with a 3. Canada. Yep, Saints 3.5 near Saints, France, or We'll actually do that on the next video. Just get a screenshot of that. We calculated for 3 high magnitude 3s for France back in 2021 from the current asteroid field that we are going through. Alright, see you guys on the next video.